how to fix the new version of Outlook spell check or autocorrect not working. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, if your Outlook spell check is not working, we can go ahead and do some few tweaks. So for example, if I go to a new mail, if I type in an incorrect word, it should have the red line right here indicating that the autocorrect is working. So the first thing that you need to check is that you need to check if your autocorrect settings is turned on. So to do that, here in this one, the three dots right here at the top, just click that, and then you should see an option for proofing and then the editor. From here, we need to open the editor settings. So just click editor settings, and then from here, just double check if everything is turned on, like enable autocorrect, capital SI if you want that, enable autocapitalization, spelling, grammar is turned on. So once everything is turned on, click OK. And then if you are still having some problems with the autocorrect feature not working in the email, now what we need to do another solution for that. So to do that, just go to File, go to Settings, or you can just click Settings immediately right here at the top right, and then it will open the same window. So from here, what we need to do is that we need to go right here to the General tab, and then go to Privacy and Data. So just click Privacy and Data. From here, scroll down, and then we will select the Privacy Settings button. So just click the Privacy Settings button. From here, we need to turn on this one, the optional connected experiences. So make sure that it's turned on right here because this analyzes your email and then which also analyzes the autocorrect feature. So just go ahead and close this and then close this. Now, what you can do is that you can just restart Outlook. So I can just close this, and then from here, let's open the Outlook application again, and then now the autocorrect should now work in your end as well. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the new Outlook application, autocorrect or spell check not working. So I hope you learned how to do it or how to fix it, and thank you for watching.